as time has gone on, as generations have proceeded, to the point where people are now volunteering to come down and reconnect them, because left to their own devices, they went asunder. They lost connection. They felt it wasn't worthy. And now the people who are willing to put the effort into recognizing and reawakening in the populace their connection to all that is, that's their job now.
How often are you able to be in just the subtlest glimpse, if not a profound awareness, but even the subtlest glimpse that you're not this little body and you're not just your life and all the experiences that are unfolding minute to minute, second to second, hour to hour, that in a way are pixelated through your memories. How long will you hold a thought about something that's already happened? Maybe it happened 5 minutes ago. Maybe it happened 5 years ago. It could take the whole day, all the waking hours before you return to being in your sleep time or dream time.
I also want to share that really as we listen to this, people who are willing to put the effort into reorganizing and reawakening the populace, that's their job now. It's all of us to varying degrees. The truth is we awaken one another when we smile at a child who has brought a footstool into an elevator just for the joy of pushing the button to what floor we want to get off at, There's lots of little ways in which we do this. And then there is also the focused way that we may, or ways that we may choose to go about this, one of which, that brings us all together is the concept of reconnection, reconnective healing.